Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.